I am a genius. I suggested this. $10 bid, $10, and we got the mansion bonus. Come on. Don't suck. Be like minor, major, grand. Calling it out. Minor, land some houses. There you go. Fill the screen up. Come on, do it. Yeah, baby. Oh, I'm gonna have to reposition myself. I feel a hand pay coming. I feel it. And this major is the biggest one of all of them on this line. Come on. 1, 2, 3. How many spins?
I'm pretty sure you jinxed us with your, I feel a hand pay coming on.
I mean, even if that's like 10 minis, that's still like, that's 6, that's 10. Let's do this. But don't be fucking 1,200 even. Or $12.12. Points. 75, 125, mini. No hand pay. But still. Oh, stop. $900. I'll take it. Hell yeah, my love. Fist bumping. It's a fist bumping love right there. Alright. Couple bago spins. Good call, Mr. Brian.